Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Infinix 030, and guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Infinix, and this phone is costing around 65,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage, and the main highlight of the Infinix 030 is the 50 megapixel selfie camera on the front, which support a 2K at 30 fps video recording. And Infinix is using this device as a vlog phone. So here's the box of the Infinix 030, and the color I have is the misty green color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And on the back we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone has a 120Hz 3D curved AMOLED display with a Corning Gorilla Glass. Also we have 108 megapixel main camera on the back. We also have 45-watt super fast charging. We also have 5000 mAh battery size, and this phone is powered by same MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, and this phone also is running on Android 13. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox the Infinix 030. Also, this is the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan market that give you a curved AMOLED display with 120Hz of course, and the display it is also a 10-bit. So now let's see that how is the display looks like. First let me remove the plastic, and this phone also available in other colors. And when you open the box, on the top we are getting our one more box, and inside there is our device Infinix 030. Now let's start the phone from this box, and now let's see that how is the misty green color looks like. As you can see, so here is the misty green color looks like. On the back we have wiggle leather finish. On the back we have very big camera module. We have 108 megapixel main camera, and the back it is a curved, as you can see from the edges, and the frame it is made up of plastic. And this phone also has a IP54 rating as well. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed. Again, this one has a curved AMOLED display. So now let's see what else we get, and then the phone. And the first thing, we are getting a 1-year warranty card. As you can see, here is our case, which is a transparent silicone case. And guys, and this is a 45-watt super fast charger. Nice to see that. Here is our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable, and here is our SIM ejection tool in the box. And now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as SIM tray. And now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We also have a rubber gasket, so we don't have any micro SD card support, so you can use only 2 nano SIMs. On this side we have absolutely nothing, and on the top we have another speaker as well as a noise cancellation microphone. And on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. This phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a triple cameras. Actually we have 108 megapixel main camera, and then we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Again, on the back we have a wiggle leather finish, and this phone feels really comfortable in the hand because we have a curved back. Also this phone feels really light, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. And this phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus with 3D curved 10-bit AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top, and the display it is a curved, so it looks really premium. Also it feels really comfortable in the hand. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Infinix 030. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a 10-bit AMOLED display. So now let's see the max brightness, and the display looks really bright, which is a really nice thing, I would say. Anyway, here is the notification panel. We also have NFC, and this phone is running on Android 13. We also have XOS version 13.1. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the display. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. And now let's see the internal storage. We have 256 GB of internal storage, and out of 21.71 GB it is already used. And here are the applications we have in this phone. So we also have auto option. I prefer all the time 120Hz mode. And now look at the camera, and this phone has a single camera on the back, which is a useful. So we have 108 megapixel main camera, And we also have 108 megapixel mode, which is right there. It is our video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. Also with the back camera we also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur, and we also have a filters, we also have a beauty mode. And with the back camera we also have ultra steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. Also with the back we also have ultimate video enhancement, which is like a night mode in video. And here is our portrait mode, super night mode. Here is our more section. We also have slow motion, we also have pro mode, we also have a dual view video mode. We also have super macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back, although we don't have any ultra wide, which makes more sense over macro. And also look at the front facing camera. This one has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, and the 50 megapixel looks really nice, especially in this lighting condition. I'm really impressed. And with the front facing camera we also have ultra steady mode, and the front camera also shoots 1440p at 30 fps, which is the main highlight of the Infinix 030. You can see that on the box. Also have ultimate video enhancement with the front facing camera. And with the front facing camera we also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur, as you can see. We also have a portrait mode, super night mode also available, even the slow motion also available with the front facing camera. So you can see regarding the camera features wise, this phone has every single camera feature. Now let's talk about the battery life. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size, and combined with a 6.7 inch AMOLED 120Hz display and the Helio G99, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also we have 45-watt superfast charging. I am really impressed by the design language of the Infinix 030. This phone looks more premium as compared to any other smartphone in this price range. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix 030. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.